Hi, I just made some chocolate nice cream. I can't wait to show you how I did it. Stay tuned.
Well, hello. It's Sarah Stovetop, and I am coming to you live from my kitchen. It is Tool Time Tuesday, episode 122, and we are talking nice cream. Not ice cream, but nice cream. Do you know what a nice cream is? It's actually, I'd love to hear from you. I'd love to know what you think. But nice cream is actually a vegan ice cream. And it's actually quite. First of all, I wanted to ask, what's your favorite ice cream flavor? So feel free to comment and let me know what your favorite flavor is, and maybe I'm going to make it for you tonight. Maybe not, but I'll show you a flavor. Okay. So the other thing I wanted to talk with you about is, do you ever have the situation where you are not able to figure out a recipe for certain ingredients that you have? And it's always a challenge. Like, okay, I have these three things and I want to make something with it, but I don't know exactly what I want to make. So I thought I'd share with you a couple of sources of recipes. And the first one, of course, is going to be my Pampered Chef website, because that's who I am. So I'm Sarah Stovetop, your Pampered Chef. I'm an independent consultant with them, and I've been doing it for 11 years now, and it's one of my favorite things in the world to do. I love to cook, and I love to share our fabulous tools with people so that they can spend less time in the kitchen preparing dinner and more time around the kitchen table or dining room table with their family and friends. And that's what it's all about as far as I'm concerned. So let me screen share with you, and I'm just going to take you on a little journey here. First of all, let's go to the Pampered Chef website. And you'll know it's the Pampered Chef. It's my website because it says up here, it says pamperedchef.com /PWS. That's my personal website. And it says Sarah Stovetop, and that's me. And you'll see my picture in the corner. And if you want to sign in and create an account, you would do that up here. You can even create a registry, bridal registry or gift registry or a wish list. And of course, you can go shopping. And if you are ordering on someone's party, you would look for find a show. Or if you were a host, you would be up in this corner. You would be looking for your shows, my shows. But let's talk about how you can use our website as a source for recipes and so forth. So when you come in, you'll see, of course, there's going to be some things on our main page, shopping and things about our and you can do all kinds of things here. We have a blog, we have all our different offers. If you want to host a party, you can connect with me there. There's all sorts of if you want to be a consultant, I'm happy to have you join me. And of course, if you want to shop. But what I really wanted to show you was the recipes section. And even if you just hover over it, you can choose any recipe categories. So you've got, of course, appetizers and snacks, all the way up to some of our recipe ebooks and side dishes and desserts, everything. But if you just you have a certain ingredient that you want to use, or a specific tool that you want to use, go over to the keyword or product box, and then you might type in, let's say, cauliflower, C-A-U-L, cauliflower, and you search for recipes. You could also search for products that could cook your cauliflower, but let's search for recipes and just enter that, and it should come up and show you all the recipes that use cauliflower. So there's a whole quick cooker creamy cauliflower Alfredo. There's this garlic Parmesan chicken with cauliflower, which is very good. The shepherd's pie with cauliflower is amazing. So, I mean, you could go through and make cauliflower soup. There's so many wonderful recipes, but that's just an example for you of how to use our website. So all you need to do is go back to my home page, I think. Let's see. Right up here. Be home, and then and then use the recipe tab. So that's the Pampered Chef site, and we would love for you to use that as a resource for you. And then another thing I found through a friend is something called Supercook. And it's an app, but you can also use it online. And in this, you have different categories, and you can ask them for your ingredients. So let's say under seafood, oh yeah, I had shrimp. It will come up, I did this before. It'll come up with all these different recipes for shrimp. Like, look, it's got shrimp cheese crisps, and then you just click on that, and it takes you to a recipe for shrimp cheese crisps. That's a cute spoon thing, isn't it? And then it's going to come up with your recipe. And this is from Just a Pinch Recipes. So it's not just their recipes. It is a whole bunch of, they search, I guess, the internet for them, which is really cool. So you can do recipes by meal, by ingredient, by region, occasion, by diet. Like, for example, if you wanted, I'm off the cheese crisp, but healthy recipes or low carb, vegan, gluten-free. I'm sure there's more than that. So that's pretty awesome. And let's get rid of that. Okay, and you can have fun foods delivered daily too. And here, this person already have a kitchen. Log in now. Okay. I'm not sure what I did there, so let's go back. But let's see. Here's the cheese crisps, shrimp cheese crisps recipe. God, that's hard to say. And look at how that's kind of cool looking. Looks like you're using some easy ingredients. You need a hard cheese, refrigerated garlic herb cheese, sorry. A tablespoon of thinly sliced scallions, a box of those little mini phyllo shells, those are fun, and shredded cheddar and small cooked shrimp. So how easy is that? That's an easy meal. So anyways, that's kind of just a way to do some of these recipes. You can search by ingredients. And then on the Pampered Chef website, you can search by ingredients as well as by the tool that you want to use. So back to the Pampered Chef site, let's say you wanted to make something in the quick cooker. You just put quick, oops, I can't spell, can I? Or I can't type, Quick cooker, and it's going to bring you to, you can see them, or you can see all the products, but you could also there's a recipe tab right here. And then you look under recipes, and it's going to bring up all the quick cooker recipes in our Pampered Chef library. Eventually. I probably have too many things open here for it to work with the screen share. Okay. Well, we'll wait for it to, oh, here we go. It doesn't seem to, oh, there we go. Recipes, here we go. So, for example, you've got the quick cookers. Oh, these are the little egg cups. You've got the corn chowder. Oh, I love this, the Mediterranean chicken bowls. Look at that Choco flan. Woohoo! Okay, I'm getting hungry. So let's go. Let's start cooking. We're gonna make a very quick recipe. We've got the blender. This is the Deluxe cooking blender, and you know it has a myriad of, or a plethora of different options for you. But today we're just going to use the custom blend option. We are going to make some. Oh, I forgot to bring out the milk. We're going to make some nice cream, and it's going to be a really quick recipe. So it takes like a minute. That's why I wanted to show you how you can find some other recipes. So with this, we're going to need 1/3 cup of alt milk, and I'm using some almond milk. And then, hold on, we are going to start with 2 ripened bananas. And they're frozen. So I actually freeze my bananas when they're starting to get a little kind of yucky, like like this one, which should be frozen already, and I forgot. And I wrap them in wax paper. There's one. This is a big one. Oh, here we go. This is 2. These were really big bananas. And what size did they say? 2 ripened bananas, frozen and cut into. So, and then I just freeze them and I put them in a plastic baggie. And then I'm going to cut these into smaller chunks. Just going to cut them. It says 1-inch chunks. And my husband's really excited about this because this is a vegan recipe and he doesn't eat much dairy. So this is great for him. So they're going to go into the Deluxe cooking blender. And there we go. Along with a 1/2 cup of alt milk, or excuse me, 1/3 cup of alt milk, which is the, which is the almond milk. And then a 1/4 cup of chocolate chips. Where are my chips? I use the Trader Joe's brand. It's gonna be yummy. You can't see the blender. Okay. Thank you. All right. And I will raise it up a little bit so that you can see the blender. My quality control is really being helpful today. And then 2 teaspoons of cocoa powder. So I've got the Trader Joe's brand of unsweetened cocoa powder. You know, it's plenty sweet with the bananas. Bananas are really sweet. So we use 2 teaspoons. And it's going to get loud when I turn this on. And while we're turning that on, I'm going to give Hobbs because he's in here for his biscuit. So I will do that while it's on. Okay, so, and that's going to go on. And oh, I love the cooking blender comes with this amazing cooking guide. So you've got all kinds of recipes, and I'm just keep trying different ones. So with this, we're just going to use the custom blend setting on speed number 3 for 1 minute and tamp it down so we've got the tamper here ready. I think you can see that okay. Can you guys see? Maybe I'll bring it a little closer so that you'll be able to see it a little bit better. There we go. And we're already on custom blend, and with that we just press the button and then we turn the dial till it gets to 3, and we're going to do this for about a minute. So it's going to get a little bit loud. Sorry about that. And then we will be right back. Oh, it's filming. And here's Hobbs. Sit. Sit. Good boy. Okay, so let's take a look. Hobbs got his biscuit. It's all, what do you think? Looks pretty good, doesn't it? So it's pretty thin. Now I'm looking at it. So this will be more like a shake. But what we'll do is we will freeze it. We've got one of these fun containers for freezing. These are nice because they're shallow, And so you can really get a good scoop on when you do it. So we'll put this in here and we'll put it in the freezer, and then it will be ready for a delicious snack. We haven't really been having many sweets, so this will be a real treat, and it's not going to be any added sugar. So other than what's in the chocolate chips, I guess. But anyways, here we go. Okay, we got it going here. So I'll put some water in there, and I'll put some. I guess we have to taste it a little bit. Ooh, delish. All right, I'm gonna put this in the freezer, and I hope that you all are having a good evening. I'm gonna clean my Deluxe cooking blender by putting some water and a couple drops of liquid detergent in it. So dishwashing detergent, and I put it on the clean cycle, the self-cleaning cycle, and it takes about 3 to 5 minutes, which is pretty great. All right, so that is our wonderful nice cream. I hope that you are having a nice evening, and you will enjoy some nice cream at your home too. So pretty easy recipe. Let me know what you think. And this is, if you really enjoyed this, I would love for you to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Come on over to Facebook, my VIP club, or my Facebook page, Sarah Stovetop, or Sarah Stovetop's VIP club. And we'd love to get to know you a little bit better. So thanks for joining me.